I was very emotional at the beginning, very disappointed after 1 minute, and really pleased at the end because the character that we saw on the pitch, the performance of the second half, the team spirit, everything was so positive that as a manager you have to be proud of your players.
We weren't really on it in the first half. They started very quickly, pressed us, made it difficult. We lost the goals, but then half time we came out, got the goal early, and then gave ourselves a chance.
We say when we won against Swansea that keep the momentum. Manchester City, another goal concede, and still a very good reaction of the team. So I think that we are in a good moment, and we have to carry on and pushing and trying to win every game until the end.
Obviously, we prefer to go ahead in games and keep the lead, but it's important that you fight back. No game's ever finished, and we did that, and it could be an important point.